Hey guys, showing this Restcloud neck and shoulder relaxer. We cannot comment on its medical usage and things, but of course we can show the quality and the use. This is a very nice flexible material as I can feel here, very comfortable and smooth with this some grooves here. This thing will go on the bottom so that it can hold well, non-slippery. So this is like a pillow neck, and you can just use it the way. So this is the manual that describe everything. So you can put it in this way, like on the neck, and then just give it a little relax, like just put it on your legs and hands on the back. So this will help with your neck. So we can just show how this will go. So here, like, you can put your neck on the top of it, and the flexible part with give it a little back, and is very relaxing and holding it well.